What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to control or increase your image generation speed on Midjourney using what is called the turbo mode. So in Midjourney you want to type in the prompt space here /settings to access the settings in Midjourney, and from here in the settings choose the MJ version 5.2. okay, this 5M MJ version 5.2, and then in order for this hack to work, like you can manage here the sub and you can buy more fast hours if you want to, because of course this turbo mode is limited. And here you can use the turbo prompt here in the version. Once you choose the version 5.2, you can choose the turbo prompt, so you can, or the turbo command, so /turbo, and then enter your prompt normally. So once you hit it, you select the turbo command, hit enter, and then enter your prompt like /imagine and write your prompt normally, and then it will be generated much faster on Midjourney.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.